There you go.
You have to say it now. Anyone knows the name of that song, please leave a comment. I've been wanting to know. Thank you.
Hi.
We didn't even, we ate all of it. After
Like a 20.
that's what I want, that's what I'm talking about.
That was like a 20.
Against the window.
Rex.
Choose.
You are so long.
Just this once, don't kill her.
It's already recording?
Yes.
Yes.
Tree! Come on, tree! Go outside, come on! Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Say hi, everyone.
You're your brother and sister. Okay.
Adrian.
Just kidding.
Yummy.
We love.
I'm zooming in on Gally's face and she's not even noticed.
Galley's
I don't care if it looks bad. I'm just gonna film it for the memes, for the memories, you know?
Yeah.
Who wants
Hey,
Sprite?
guys.
Who wants Coke?
Me.
Coke.
I like anything.
Garlic knots, anyone? Yes, sir.
Wait, who wants Sprite? Who wants Coke? Sorry.
Coke.
Coking. Bring me a
Coke.
Sprite.
Why are we all saying things we don't?
Hey guys. This is the garlic knots.
Okay, okay. Is this the?
That's marinara.
Then we got marinara sauce.
Pizza. With
Sorry, I'm
ranch.
just gonna spill some.
Take that pack off.
No, look at the. I'm not zooming. Look at your table and you're not. Marion.
For some reason, I thought you were taking a sip of the marinara sauce. It's short.
But that. This is so good.
It's just gonna be Marion and Adrian. I'm gonna take this whole one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, she's a big mama.
I'm very giggly right now.
Heck yeah. That one's mine. Okay, I'll give you another big one.
You're stretching it out.
Here.
Put it on the plates.
Yes.
It's already warm. What the heck?
I'm practicing right now.
I'll go just for the vlog.
Oh, your belt.
Oh my god, my belt!
Oh,
My dance challenge! Oh, get ready.
Oh, my dance challenge! Now it's just a dance challenge.
I'm scared for myself.
Traveling.
I have to teach you. I've done this many times in my room in front of I'm next in line. I'm next in line.
Oh no.
Thank you.
Oh god. See that back?
Yeah, just wait, no, you go that way, and I go this way, down the other way. There you go.
Wait, let me tap! Hashibusa. Hashibusa collapse the thing. I can't do a paradiddle.
Wait, my last hand though. Do you have mango?
I will give you glory, my Lord. That's so stuck in my head.
Like the night before, little town.
Wait, we're so good.
What?
We should become it again.
Heck yeah. Mukbang! Ice cream mukbang. I'm eating mango right now.
I can stop laughing. It hurts. Careful right there.
This is the ice cream we're gonna be having.
intolerant. I'm mildly lactose intolerant.
I honestly think I'm a little gassy because I just had coffee on an empty stomach.
You ate pizza.
No, but like in the morning.
During a math test, I drank coffee because I was so tired.
Yeah.
I got into the math test and I stopped halfway. I didn't even finish my test because I needed
Poop.
and you can't get out of the room unless you like, you can't get out unless you like give your test. So I had to give my test and I went, oh my god. In geometry last year, it was so bad.
I thought you were gonna be like, yeah, I was in like 4th grade. No, it was like last year.
Okay, here we go. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Sweet.
Injustice time. Everyone get in the circle and do
Let's not head bump. Let's not head bump.
Okay, ready to go.
That was intimidating.
Duh.
I don't know how to work this. This is unfair. You didn't tell me how to play. You haven't.
You know what's so annoying? You know, like, when Superman has his laser eyes and the thing keeps dancing, that's what my parents do all the time.
Okay, yeah.
Because you can't get away from it. Or like Green Arrow, how like you like go like that.
No, I never do that. I never do that because I. Oh yeah! Ah!
Oh yeah!
I'm really loose.
All roasted.
Hope for that. You're gonna have to watch a lot of footage.
Stop blowing your cold air! I can't see my controls anymore because I'm so chilly. Stop! Stop! Get up! So now I know how to do this.
We lost one person.
Hi, Gally. Unboxing. Wow, it's so nice. OMG, it's big. Big boy, big boy. Marianne, look back at me.
Listen.
But then look in the back.
Throwback to when I was obsessed.
Wait, silly babe.
Me too, though.
Rainbow Loom.
Yeah, look. I was like a true loomer.
Oh my god, Loom Gang. Look at what she was creating. Whoa.
True, what the heck?
Is this supposed to be like an iPhone case?
You should give this to Audrey or me.
I remember wanting
The
it so
skin
bad
pack.
so that I can make people.
Should we loom right now?
Can we loom? Just for a sec.
Should we loom? That's actually really cool.
I think I was making a Minecraft story.
Oh my god.
You guys, I cannot stress how important this is. You see this? You see how this is the way? No. When you're putting the bands up, you have to turn it this way, or else you're not going to be able to make your bracelet. Okay? I can't tell you how many times that messed me up. Let's do a little purple moment. A little. Oh, I think I made a ring.
Liam.
You gotta stretch it out to make sure that they aren't that tight when you put them on. Let me get back to my tutorial. What am I doing? You always have to use 2 when you're making a bracelet. Okay, and then you get to hear the little ASMR too. I'm just gonna put it in fast motion so that way you don't have to watch the boring part.
very glad.
It's in my blood.
Look how many clips I had.
S clips
And then C clips.
I only use C clips because
Sure.
my mom wouldn't buy me S clips at times. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more of my friends, then make sure to comment down below. I can always recruit them. If you like this sort of content, then be sure to subscribe. I hope you guys are having a good day or had a good day, and peace.